Welcome to Yes Channel. Remember to like and subscribe. Hello. My name is Irene. I am your English teacher. Our first lesson is... What's wrong?
I am sorry.
Carla. What are you doing here?
My name is Irene. Ha ha. This is my class.
No. This is my class, Carla.
No. It's my class. You've stolen my class. Let's do next. We can take turns.
What do you mean?
You have one lesson. Then I have one lesson. That's a good offer.
Okay, let's do so.
Oh, yes.
This is my class. Huh. Oh, I am sorry. Let's get back to our lesson. Our 5 phrases for today are... Number 1 is... Hello. Say it with me. Hello. Number 2 is... Yes. Say with me. Yes. Number 3 is... No. Repeat with me, please. No. Number 4 is... My name is... Irene. Now, repeat with me and say... Your name. My name is... Irene. And number 5 is... I am sorry. Say it with me. I am sorry. Okay. That's it for now. Good job. See you again on Yes Channel. Remember to like and subscribe.